Hello YouTube, welcome back to Coding with Glen. And in our last tutorial I had some complaints about how I was moving fast, so I'll try and take it down this time and make sure I meet your needs. We're going to be looking at operators in this tutorial, so these are a few examples of what you encounter in any programming language when it comes to operators. We have the arithmetic operators to perform mathematical calculations. We have the relational perform comparisons within types, and we're going to be looking at the assignment operators to assign values to variables, of course, and we look at logical operators for setting trueness and falsification of values, and membership operators, of course, that is to test the existence of a value in a sequence, e.g., for example, as in a letter or a letter in a string. Then identity operators check for equality. That you can reference your discrete math if you've done it, but if not, it's still okay. We're just checking for equality between the left end and the right end of the value. So first we're gonna be looking at the arithmetic operators, what they are, the examples. So as you can see, we have the addition here, denoted by a plus, and this is for addition and subtraction. We have division and the percentage, that is representing modulus, and the double asterisk for exponentiation. So I'm not gonna explain further because you can see on the screen what these are and what they can do, but I'll just touch on the division and modulus. For division, what happens is when you divide integers, they are gonna remove of that remainder. So when you divide, if for example, as you can see in the example 10 divided by 3, you will get 3, so the remainder is removed from the value. And as you can see also for the modulus, what happens to the modulus, it does keep the remainder, but it doesn't keep the division part of it. So if you say 10 modulus 3, you get the remainder of it. So that's just about it. And we move on to the relational operators. So relational operators, they are mainly focused on comparisons within variables and types. So we have the double equal one. That one checks if operands are equal. We have the greater than, we have the less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So to maintain the length of this video, I'm going to let you, if you want to read through, you can pause this video and read through, but I have tried to make the notes more explanatory. We move on to the assignment operators, and as you can see, this can be used for adding and assigning values, and these come in handy when you are doing incrementation and decrementation. So again, I'm going to leave you to read this. If you want to know more, you can pause the video and read through. I have made the notes quite simple. And we have the logical operators. If you want, it's about the bitwise thing, about not bitwise, sorry, that is just another operators about how you can combine true or false of values. Let's say you have a true value that is assigned to a letter A and a false value that is assigned to a letter B, and we combine these two. If you say A and B, true and false will result in a false. So again, for those who have done discrete math, you would understand this, but anyway, for all those who haven't, this is simple. You just have to read through what I wrote here for you, so that you can understand further. So we also look at identity operators, and if you want, you can read through and you understand. These notes are quite explanatory, and if you want these notes, I have put a link for you to download these and you can read through. We also have the membership operators, and these you see them handy when we are dealing with functions in the later tutorial, when we'll be doing the for statements, while statements, trying to find a variable that is within a certain sequence of characters. So we'll look further in these and by example as we go through, and you should please join me in my next tutorial as we take you through these operators in detail. And thank you. Please remember to subscribe. You have now the knowledge you need, and now we move on to the practical scenario of these. Thank you.